Hey, we're here in Muscatine, Iowa. We just wrapped up our first time here and it was great. 53 teams registered, 50 boats weighed fish. That's incredible. That's probably a record with Twisted Cat. Again, our first time here in Muscatine, Iowa was awesome. A lot of big fish weighed, a lot of big flatheads.
And I want you to be thinking about it because I'm going to ask you guys to guess where your total weight is.
Yeah, you guys have to have an idea.
Thank you, Twisted Cat, for coming to Muscatine, Iowa, to our beautiful riverfront. Look forward to continuing this year after year after year, and what a great opportunity for the residents of Muscatine to bring their families down here and see all the fish that they're going to be bringing in, these massive catfish as well. So just thanks again for coming to Muscatine and look forward for the future.
39.22 pounds. That's
Donald,
guys.
Probably that's on you.
15.
Oh my God, that's huge.
I think we might have been first place team here. 42 pounds even. 48.82 pounds.
Wow. Oh my.
We are so excited to be hosting the Twisted Cat Outdoors Fishing Tournament today here in Muscatine, Iowa. It is a beautiful day. It started out a little wet but has cleared up. We are so excited to be hosting. This is our first year and we're just really thrilled to have all of these fishermen out on enjoying our beautiful riverfront in the Mississippi River. We are so excited to have the anglers come in and begin weighing. I'm sure they've had a great day of fishing.
So Mike, a little backstory on Mike's 25th day. That's a great day.
So as most of you know, there's no blue cats up here like our last event that had 146 pounds in their biggest 3 fish. This is a 5 fish limit. Again, it was 73.73 was the total weight and their big fish was 42 pounds. It paid out $7,444. This was an awesome time. I can't wait to come back to Muscatine, Iowa. And again, the city is so great. The restaurants, the hotels, everybody here, the spectators really put on a show for us and these anglers that traveled across the Midwest to be here. Like I said, I can't wait to come back. And again, I think we set a record on how many boats weighed fish. 50 out of 53, that's incredible.
So just to have the catfishing tournament come here to our riverfront means so much to us specifically, and you know, great for Contrary. And how about a round of applause for Contrary for the Twisted Cat up here?
$2,080. Third place here in Muscatine, Iowa. Great job, guys. Great job. 51.47. Dylan Lawson, Bo Brady, $3,466. Wow. That's a good payday. 73.73 total weight. Jim Gillenwater, Paul McIntosh, $6,944 for first. Then they got our Castaway Customs Sea Deck Big Fish Bounty, an extra $500. Their big fish was 42.00. I think somebody nailed that right on the dot on that weight. For a total of $7,000 or $7,444. Woo, wow.
Thanks for the bait on Thursday.
What is the tip that you would say?
Man, I don't know. Probably the tip of the best would be fresh bait.
Fresh bait.
Fresh bait. I mean, that would be the biggest tip.
We hope you have had a wonderful day. The weather sure has cooperated.
Again, thank you, and I look forward to seeing everybody next year for this tournament as well.